my only super freak. I've been missing you all week. My only super freak. I've been missing you all week. My only super freak. I've been missing you all week. My only super freak.
I got a lot on my mind, I gotta get where I'm supposed to be. I think I'm running out of time, my baby girl's waiting for me. She said, don't you worry about a thing tonight, I'ma ease your pain tonight. Once she gets her hands on me, I know I'll be feeling alright. So I'm on my way. You got what I want, and I can't wait. So I'm on my way.
Chillin' with my main man, RC Exclusive.
You got what I need, and I see your face. You know what's up, baby, I am on my way.
I've been missing you all week. You're my only super freak.
I know you know how to please me.
Your body is so unique. That's the way I like my freak.
You know what to do to please me. Soon as I hit the door, my girl's already in the mood, yeah. She doesn't have to say a word, she just stands there in the nude. Come get this. She said, baby, I'ma hurt ya tonight. Just relax, let me work ya tonight. The way she put her thing on me, I was so ready to take flight, man, I wasn't ready. You got, no, I wasn't ready.